In this video, I will share 4 mistakes you should avoid like plague if you want to make $41,915. Sounds like a specific number, but let me show you today's money inspiration. You see here $41,915 in passive affiliate commissions. This looks so exciting, but in my opinion, the most important numbers are right here. These are the numbers of the people who clicked our affiliate links. They decided to purchase from us and we made affiliate commissions. $41,915, not so savvy. And if you want to make money like this from the comfort of your home, from anywhere on the planet, without experience, without technical knowledge, without website, without mailing list, and without social following, then this is the right video for you. Stick to the end of the video because I'm going to share step by step how you can do that. And you will get paid via PayPal, bank transfer, Stripe, cryptocurrency, your choice. Sounds good? Let's begin. But before we begin, we are giving away everything free, so we deserve a like and a share. Please go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and especially your social media timelines. This way you help others with awesome information. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and client. This is how we make money and hundreds of thousands of other people make money. And these are the people who click our links, and this is how we make money. But again, I'm gonna help you avoid the 4 mistakes and start making money from today. Ready for this? Let's begin. The summary of our system is step number 1, we make videos. But unlike these videos with cameras and microphones, editing softwares, editors, we use our artificial intelligence software Epic. Link is in the description. Epic is free to start. Go start today. Epic allows you to make videos using image, links, and texts. Unlike other softwares in the market, Epic writes the scripts for you using artificial intelligence. Go to the text section, click text generator, put any text you want here and use any of these buttons to rewrite using Spinner or AI. Then take that script, go to the audio section and click text to audio, click add here, give it a title, quality, type, and put your text here, click submit, and immediately in a matter of split second, your natural sounding voiceover is ready. How cool is that? Add it in the section and add as many sections as you want of any length you want. Save your campaigns, go to other work, come back later, add more sections. The moment you are happy with your video, click the render button and immediately your video is ready. Sounds good? Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go start today. By the way, more detailed Epic trainings are in the description as well as you enter the member series. All the trainings will open when you click this help button or you click this help button on top. Now, mistake number 1, not focusing on customers. All this money were made because customers had money. We helped customers with information using our software and using videos and using our content. They loved our content. We built trust with them. And when we recommended any of our affiliate offers, they paid money. They purchased using their credit card. So if we want to make money, we need to go to place where customers hang out. They constantly buy. Example, Udemy. For a lot of us, Udemy means a marketplace of courses. And you might be thinking you don't have any expertise. And a lot of us think you need to make videos or course modules using cameras and microphone. But the truth is, it's totally the opposite. People who buy using their credit cards, they look for value for their money. They don't care you're using your camera or you're using Epic. Here is an example. This blogging masterclass course was sold to 43,750 students at the price point of $124. Look at this. Now let's ask Siri how much money was made. Hey Siri, 43,750 times 124.
43,750 times 124 is 5,425,000.
So $5 million in sales were generated by selling a bunch of videos uploaded on Udemy and sold at a price point of $124. Who wants to make $5 million? I do. You? You must be interested to know how. And here is how. Look, go to this course and go down below, open expand all sections, and you will see all these 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute long videos that you can easily make using Epic. And let me show you a quick preview.
Let's talk about the mindset of the progress toward your no blogger on charging money actually willing to pay for.
So these are the type of videos they are publishing on Udemy as course content, and people are paying for $125 that you can make using Epic without using camera, microphone, editing software, video editors. It's all you and Epic. Now you might be saying, Mosh, I have no idea about blogging or any kind of course. You don't actually need to know anything. All you need is YouTube. YouTube has every information that those paid courses have. But on Udemy, the 100 million customers and the 20% customers that come from Google every month, they don't believe in free information. They believe in paid information, and that's why they buy courses. Besides, a course means all the information packed into one place. So you don't have to look here and there on YouTube or any other places. So a lot of people buy courses just to save time. But in any case, they are all buyers. So if you focus on buyers, then you go choose a course on your niche. And if you don't know anything about it, then find your interest and learn from YouTube, Google, and articles, and put that information right here. Use the AI, use the text to voice feature, and make your video. Publish them on Udemy, and Udemy will send you customers. Now, the second mistake is not making videos. You see, we make videos and we publish these videos on YouTube. Even if we get 10 views, 20 views, 200 views, or 2,000 views, all these viewers are customers, because we target the customers only. So let me give you an example. In this blogging course, there is a topic called how to write irresistible headlines. The truth is, there is no magic method here. Go search on Google or on YouTube, you will learn everything. So we found these 7 secrets for writing your best blog headline ever. Now I got all the information. I can either use the AI rewriter of Epic and put the same information and make my videos about writing headlines, or I will learn it, then I will use my own words and own voiceover to make a course content. Okay, so we learned something and we are using Epic or any other software, or anyhow we are making videos. We publish them and we link our Udemy course in the video description and in the first comment, and we ask our viewers to click the links there and get our course. That is how we send more and more customers to our course and make more and more money. Besides videos and YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, these are one of the best ways right now to grab attention, build a personal brand, and sell anything you want. So start making videos from today, and if you think you don't want camera and microphone, which is actually a matter of practice and is not really a scalable system, because you can't make a lot of videos all day long. The solution is Epic. Link in the description. Start free today. Mistake number 3 is taking Udemy or building your online course as an additional work, which is not. You basically start with what people are buying on the courses. Before you start your research from the Udemy content and make your videos for YouTube and other channels using Epic, of course. Well, I'm joking, you can use any software you want or any method you want. And publish on YouTube and other channels, then use the same videos, bundle them together and upload on Udemy. This way, you don't use additional work. So focus on places like Udemy where you can build and sell your course, which are basically the bundle of videos, the same videos you publish for YouTube and other platforms. And finally, not blogging and not building lists. Well, basically, when you create a video, you will have some level of text and spoken content. Turn that content into blog and build lists of email subscribers. But there is a short. If you think blogging is a lot of work, it is not. This is one of my applications. We use this application for blogging. This basically use one keyword or any keyword to build your blog without writing anything. Now, if you check this website, it has a lot of content, it has a lot of explanation how it works, but at the same time, if you go down below, this is the demo, video demo, a 3-minute demo of how this software works. Link is in the description. You can grab this system called 7Fig. We named it 7Fig because with this, you can actually earn 7Fig. Now, the content will be completely free, but at the same time, you build list of email subscribers, and using our technique, you will be able to build list of buyer subscribers using this software alone. Now, how do you build list? I'll give you a quick shortcut. You look at this blog where we learned the 7 secrets for writing your best blog headlines ever. There is a button there asking you to read a playbook. So you click here, it will take you to this page and then ask you to download the PDF. So in order to get a PDF and read later, busy people like you and me will sign up and download the playbook. What 7fig does is it creates blogs targeting the buyers only and then ask the buyers that if you are busy, you can download the whole content as PDF from your email. Just give me your email address. Busy people love this gesture. They give up their email. The system automatically sends them the PDF version of the blog post and we build buyer list. Those buyers love us for the whole system, for the content, for the process, for helping them download the whole post as a PDF from their phone, from their computer, through their email. We build instant connection and this connection build trust and help us make money. So there are 4 mistakes I mentioned. Number 1, not focusing on customers. Focus on customers. It can be Udemy, it can be Amazon, it can be any place, but go there where your customers hang out. The second mistake is not using video. We know video creation is a problem. It's even problem for us. So we made Epic. You can use Epic, link in the description, and make easy videos. Customer-oriented videos. Publish on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and get customers from there. Mistake number 3, not building your own course and not using customer-oriented places like Udemy. And for that, you don't need to work extra. You make the videos that your Udemy competitors are creating, and you make better videos, more videos, publish them on YouTube, bundle them up and upload them on Udemy, the same video. This way you make money without additional work, but you have to avoid that mistake of avoiding Udemy. Finally, the mistake of not blogging and not building list of subscribers. And to automate the whole process without writing a single content, without building opt-in form, you can blog and build list of buyers using 7fig. 7fig link is in the description. Go grab it. These are the 4 mistakes you can avoid and start making money from today. All the links are in the description. This will help you make money like us, and this will help you make money like these guys without additional work. All starts with your interest of helping customers, and to save time, make the whole process easy and scalable, use our artificial intelligence software Epic. Link is in the description, and of course other softwares as well. Grab them and start today. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. We wanted to focus on avoiding 4 mistakes today. I hope you loved them. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contact, and your social media timeline so everybody else learns these mistakes and take the right decision and start making money from today. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. This way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next making, and we will see you in the next video.